Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to take a look again in PinClicks, and I'll talk about two of its features. I will actually explain them to you. One is the pin score and another is the annotation, interest annotation. So before I explain them, it will be a short video. If you don't know about PinClicks, it is the market leading software for Pinterest research, Pinterest keyword research, marketing, and etc. So if you are a blogger or if you want to drive traffic from Pinterest to your blog, to your website, to your app, whatever it is, then PinClicks will be your greatest help. It will give you an unfair advantage over your competitors. Okay. So in my channel, I have made lots of videos on PinClicks. If you want to know more about this software, you can check those videos out. But in today's video, I will talk about two simple features of PinClicks and I'll try to explain them. Okay. So I am inside the dashboard of PinClicks. Now I've talked about most of these features with you. So in today's video, first I'll talk about the pin score. Okay. So if I go to top pins, so, in the top pins feature section, whatever keyword you write, you will get all the top pins in Pinterest for that keyword. Okay. First, we can see this pin score column. So many first-time users of this software doesn't understand what the pin score is. So let's check it out. But first, I'll have to maximize the window. Okay, so what is this pin score? If I hover my mouse on the question mark, you'll see pin score reflects engagement and recency relative to the other pins in the search. Okay, so out of all the pins that are listed here, pin score will be calculated and it will be calculated out of two criteria. The first one is how many engagement this pin is getting. So you can see the engagement as comments, reaction, etc. So how many engagement this pin is getting and how recent that pin is. These two criteria make up the pin score. So suppose there are two pins, both has 100 engagements and one was made like 6 months earlier and another one was made 2 years earlier. Then the one that was made 6 months earlier will have a higher pin score because it was more recent. Okay, so that's how pin score is calculated, and it is a good idea to sort the pins by pin score to see which pins have the most pin score, and you can see what is actually working for Pinterest, because pin score is actually created to find the most relevant, most performing pins in Pinterest. Okay, but that's not all. You can also sort the pins by the number of saves, by the position. Like currently, this pin, this one has the most saves, but it is not the position one pin for this keyword. Okay, so if you want to find the position one pin for this keyword, then you will have to sort it out. Okay, I have seen this in another video. I've showed this with you. So that's over for pin score. Now let's talk about the interest annotation. So in the same feature, whenever you hover your mouse over any of these images, like this one, now if I scroll down a bit, you will see this section, annotate interest. So what are these interest? Okay, so if I hover over here, so these are keywords generated by Pinterest after they analyze the image. Okay, so when the pinner, so suppose Mr. X uploaded this pin, okay, in 2022. So after he uploaded this pin with pin title, pin image, alt text and everything, then Pinterest analyzed this image and analyzed the alt tag, analyzed the title, the description, and Pinterest assigned all of these keywords for that pin, because Pinterest thinks this pin is related with all of these keywords. Okay, also all of these keywords are actually called annotated interest in Pinterest language. Okay, because Pinterest has annotated these keywords to the pin. Now I have said something wrong. I have said all of these are keywords, but technically these are not keywords. These are actually interest. In my previous videos, I have already talked about what are keywords and what are interest in Pinterest. So in Pinterest, you will find two types of keywords. One are the general keywords that we can see in search suggestions, like whenever you are in Pinterest home feed, if you search for something, you will see a list of suggestions. Those are the regular keywords. The interest are like keywords with double power. Okay. For each of these interest words, Pinterest has a dedicated page in the database because these are like internal entities in the Pinterest algorithm, because Pinterest give more importance to these keywords or interest, and that's why Pinterest has developed internal pages in the databases for each of these interest. So that's why these are more powerful than keywords. Okay, so technically these are interest, not keywords, and that's why as these interests are annotated to this pin, that's why these are called annotated interest. Okay, so, what do you do with this annotated interest? Whenever you're crafting your pin title or pin description, try to use these annotated interest in those title and description area. Okay, because if you are writing a same blog topic like this one, then chances are high that Pinterest will also want you to associate this annotated interest with your blog topic. Okay, so try to use this annotated interest in your article, in your pin title description, and other stuff. Okay, so these are mainly annotated interest and pin score. Many people had confusion about these features. I hope I have been able to help you out. If you have any more question, let me know in the comment box below, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.